start your engine. You've trained.
You've honed your reflexes to a razor-sharp edge. You're ready.
There's nothing between you and the fast track, nothing but your supercharged twin energy machine and the power to win. This is Red McAdam. I'm here with polyglycol, and we'll be taking you directly to the Sharp cleaning pit because today, vacuum history is about to be made.
That's right, Red. Today, Joe DeLagua sets out to beat his previous record for cleaning the extremely challenging obstacle course.
Joe will be using the Sharp ECTU 2809 Supercharged Pure Power Vacuum Cleaner as he goes for this new record.
With us to explain just what the Sharp crew has done to help Joe beat the competition in this very difficult clean-off is Chuck Fantail, head engineer for the Sharp team.
Chuck, can you tell us just what Sharp means with this new supercharged concept?
Right, Red. We know we've got a real winner here. Now, you know we've had twin energy right along. These pumped-up performers have not one, but two fans driven by a 1,300-watt, 12-amp motor, ensuring incredible suction capability for an impressive clean.
That's some power, Chuck.
That's an affirmative, Polly. But twin energy is only the beginning. What we're all charged up about is the new supercharged concept.
Well, come on, Chuck. That's what we're all waiting to hear about.
Supercharged is a high-tech concept that maximizes the three main components of carpet cleaning: agitation, airflow, and suction. We've engineered the Sharp performance to the top of the line limits in all three areas. Sharp produces 6 times more airflow than other models and up to 59% more pressure.
And that translates to maximum power.
Exactly, Red. And I understand that the powerful synergy of increased airflow and pressure create more combined cleaning performance than other models. You see, vacuum pressure without airflow just won't get the job done. You need both to effectively clean deeply embedded dirt. It seems that Sharp has a winning combination for strong cleaning power.
Very impressive. Polly, you've been doing your research, and we're ready to put the Sharp team of vacuums through some grueling paces right now.
Tough talk, Chuck. So that's what you mean by supercharged. So I guess Joe's going to be using one of those souped-up models, huh?
Yes, indeed, Red. Today, Joe's going to be using the Sharp ECTU 2809.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is exciting. Joe is about to clean with a test-driven winner.
Right you are, Polly. Let me show you a little more of what we've done. Now, you take your conventional brush roll. It's round with 2 rolls of bristles to agitate and loosen soil. Your more competitive models use a helix or spiral-shaped brush, twisted 360 degrees from end to end, which lets the brushes touch the floor in 2 places at any given time. Not us. We took this concept to a higher level. We use a smaller diameter brush with deep fins on the agitator. That lets the brush act as an additional fan.
Pretty cagey, Chuck.
That's not the half of it, Red. To further improve the design, Sharp increased the twist of the brush from 360 degrees to 540 degrees, which puts the brush in contact with carpet in 3 places at all times. That's a 50% increase in carpet agitation.
So you think Joe's got the edge out there, Chuck?
All I can say is we're ready for whatever they throw at us. We've got another competitive advantage with the airflow regulator.
The airflow regulator, located on the belt side of the nozzle, senses when the airflow is restricted. A valve opens and closes, which allows air into the nozzle through the vents located on the hood of the vacuum,
providing maximum airflow in the nozzle at all times for real deep-down consistent cleaning.
You guys sure know the scoop on this Sharp Supercharged Pure Power Cleaning Dynamo. Check this out for power. As you can see here in a standard water lift test, the 2809 can lift 100 column inches of water. We think this will give Joe a substantial advantage out there in the dirt track when the going gets tough.
Fantastic. But Chuck, all that dirt, isn't that going to get to the motor sooner or later? That could leave your boy in serious trouble once we're into the main drag.
Don't you believe it, Red? Once again, the Sharp team has got you covered. What we have here is...
I know, Chuck. It's the protective motor bypass system. No matter how much dirt the ECTU 2809 picks up, it passes through an outer hose and never even gets close to the motor fan, which is completely protected.
Sorry to interrupt you, Polly, but it looks like we're just about to start.
They're about to wave the flag. Whew, is that machine ever loaded?
That's right, Polly. Every Sharp Supercharged chassis is loaded with a complete array of full-time onboard tools.
Convenience is the name of the game. Just flip a switch and the air suction automatically transfers from the floor to the full-time onboard tools.
Whatever Joe finds out there today, floor to ceiling, he'll have what he needs to finish the job.
He's getting into position now.
And there he goes. It must give you quite a feeling seeing these superstars perform, Chuck.
Tell you the truth, Red, I get a little choked up every time I think about the months we worked them over, making sure the Sharp Supercharged performers are the best. When our guys go out there to meet the market, all I can say is, and I mean this in the truest spirit of the sport, they're going to clean up. I mean, everything from extra power to the attachments is designed to give Joe the sharp edge.
Whoa, now what's going on out there?
Nothing to worry about. I just used the variable power control to adjust the power for that throw rug.
I just love the variable power control feature. With just a flip of the switch, Joe can adjust the power according to the type of surface being cleaned.
And check this out, Red and Polly. The ECTU-2809, like all Sharp vacs, adjusts to carpet height automatically, leaving our boy ahead of the pack and competition, coughing up dust when the terrain changes.
Now he's onto the drapes. Look at him go.
Wait a minute, Red. We've got an indicator light. Is he in trouble out there, Chuck?
I'm coming in. Clear the pits.
Nothing to worry about, Polly. That's another one of our Sharp features. Whenever the bag is full, the convenient dust indicator lets Joe know it's time for a change. A quick stop, and he's back on track in no time.
Back change, back change.
Polly Sharp has thought of everything for the power to win. Let's pick up the action back on the track.
How's it going out there, Joe?
Well, it's a tough clean, but this Sharp ECTU-2809 can really handle the turns. Rugs, drapes, whatever you throw at it, this champion keeps right on going.
Still the cool man of steel they talk about. Nothing gets to you, does it, Joe?
Well now, just a few seasons ago, I almost hung up my nozzle and cleaning heads for keeps.
Joe DeLagua off the cleaning circuit? Say it ain't so, Joe. What was the problem?
Dust mites. Yeah, millions and millions of them. Nearly stopped me cold. But the filtration system on this machine knocked them out and keep me going.
You mean the Sharp team solved the problem?
Oh, you bet. The hepatite filtration system is a winner in my book. That's the checkered flag for me. We have a 5-stage filtration system. As you take your first lap, you can expect to trap 99% of all particles. A second filter with an added micron filter traps the fine dust particles, and the motor exhaust filter provides a final air purification. Sharp vacuums with the hepatite filtration system. I got the power to win.
You think you'll beat your old record, Joe?
Well, I'm gonna try. That's about all I can say right now.
We're real confident. Joe's in command of his Sharp ECTU-2809, and, well, his experience with the Sharp models gives him the edge he needs.
Whoa, what's Joe doing now, Chuck? This close to beating his own record, and he's taking out a cell phone and dialing.
That's Joe for you, Red. He's an incredibly relaxed competitor. Nothing phases him with his Sharp ECTU-2809.
Naturally, Chuck, but Joe is going to talk on a cell phone while running the Sharp Supercharged Twin Energy Performer? How is he going to hear? Isn't it going to slow him down? And what about the record?
He knows what he's doing, Holly. The ECTU-2807 and 2809, like all Sharp vacs, are library quiet. They're a full 20% quieter than standard vacuums. Joe can talk all he wants to. He'll hear every word, and he won't lose a beat cleaning at the same time.
Now try that with other machines.
Right you are, Red. With just about any other brand, this would be pretty difficult.
Now that's impressive. Powerful, quiet, fully loaded.
He's putting away the phone, and we're coming down to the finish here.
Will he make it? There are just seconds left on the clock.
It's going to be a close one, Holly, but I think Joe's got the upper hand on it.
Yes, yes, here comes the flag. He's done it. Joe DeLagua beats his own record by seconds.
Everyone is just going wild. Ladies and gentlemen, what a race. What a race.
Are you surprised, Chuck? Were you worried?
Not for a minute, Red. Not for a minute. But until you see that flag, well, you just never know. It was a real squeaker, but we were ready for it. And so was Joe.
How does it feel, Joe? A new record. You had us going there for a minute with that cell phone and all.
Well, I had to try it, Paula. It's part of the package, and I wanted everyone to see what this machine can do. And I gotta tell you, it was fantastic. I mean, there's nothing I can't do with this sharp back. Phenomenal power, the unbelievable flexibility. I was flying out there, just flying.
I'll say, what do you think, Joe? Are you going to go for another record next week?
I think we're going to take it one clean at a time, but I have no doubt with these supercharged twin energy champs, we got what it takes.
There you have it, folks. This is polyglycol.
And this is Red McAdam with the winning Sharp team.
Once again, Joe DeLagua and the Sharp Cleaning Team prove that from sharp minds come sharp products, giving you the power to win.
See you next week, and keep 'em rolling.